What's up guys, welcome back to Damdog Creativity, a channel where you can learn awesome and incredible ideas on how to make DIY stuff simple. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified for more interesting and outstanding videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a USB cable lamp which you can easily use by plugging in your power bank. So without wasting any time, let's get it on.
Listen.
So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you really enjoyed, you leave a like and comment down below saying anything you want. And this was a little lamp that I made. I think it's pretty awesome. As you can see, it's pretty bright. So if you want to see more of my videos, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll leave a link in the end of the video so you can click it and go and watch more of my videos. And I got a lot of cool contents coming for you soon, so you will not want to miss those. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.